Hi, this is John with Bank Account Bonus Central, and today's video is all about we have the best bank account bonuses, and we have some updates for the month of December 2023. So, in this video, we're going to be talking about getting paid to shop, getting paid to save, getting paid to spend and invest, and for your direct deposit. We have huge payouts of if you take advantage of everything you can in here. We have over $5,000 up for grabs in nationwide offerings. So huge amounts of money for the month of December 2023, the last best of for the year 2023. Before I jump into too many details, I do have a quick disclaimer. So I am a customer of all these companies and products mentioned in this video. I'm not affiliated with any of them. This is my own personal review for informational purposes only. All the information in this video is current as the time of recording, and all the screenshots are from their websites. All right, so I'm a math teacher. Quick question. Why do people get paid? Well, people get paid to solve problems. If you solve little problems in life, you're going to make little money. If you solve bigger problems, you're going to make bigger money. So, what problems do banks have? Well, banks need customers and they're willing to pay nicely to get them. And that's why this channel exists. People get paid to open up accounts. That's why we're here. How much money are we talking about? Well, I still have a $3 million challenge for the year 2023. I want to help at least 1,000 people get at least $3,000 from these videos in 2023, and that's definitely happening. So if you can appreciate profitable content on a consistent basis, do me a favor, hit this video with a huge thumbs up. I'm looking for a much more profitable next year, but this year has been really exciting. There's a shout out to a friend of the channel, Ramen. Definitely appreciate you reaching out to me. I asked him how much he made when he was looking for a referral link for Blue Peak. He said, probably around 1,800 on bank accounts and around 4,000 on credit card bonuses. So that's absolutely freaking amazing. That's awesome. That's 5,800 for Ramen, and that's a lot more than $3,000 goal. So well done. Definitely appreciate. And we got a lot more of these. So if you'd like to share how much you made in this $3 million challenge, then please feel free to email me at churningadventures at gmail.com, and I will love to give you a shout out. So all these offers are either do not pull checks or they are checks friendly. If they'll accept me and my checks report looks like a phone directory for banks and credit unions all over the country. So if they'll let me in, chances are they should let you in. So first one up we're talking about today is get paid for your direct deposits. So most everybody gets direct deposits. We already had a number of people already get paid out on these. If you get paid out or you're in the process of doing this bonus, which a number of people are, please let me know how many direct deposits you actually got, because there is a little bit of discrepancy in the terms and conditions. One part on Blue Peak says get paid for one. The other one says you got to do two. The third part says you got to be in for over 90 days, but they're paying out people much quicker than that. So please send your data points, because there's none available. All right, so the first credit union, as I just mentioned, it's Blue Peak. They have literally everything you're looking for. They are nationwide offer, checks friendly, big bonuses, and credit card funding, where you can open accounts over and over again with the credit card and get the cash back. So that's a really profitable thing. And number 5, Blue Peak is starting to pay out fast. Ma'am, I haven't had my account for 90 days. These people, they haven't had their account for 90 days either, and they're already starting to get paid out. So definitely want to take advantage of this. It's one of my absolute favorite check credit unions out there. And I call them the best credit union ever. Why? Because literally they have everything you want. You got $200 for bank bonuses. You're nationwide. Your check's friendly. They pay out quickly. What else? I mean, there's all sorts of stuff to love about this. Check out this video here, all about Blue Peak Credit Union. Save the best for first in this video. Bam, check them out. All right, second one, get paid to save. And I want to mention something about savings in the year, 2023, 2024. Whenever you're watching this video, all wealth is predicated on savings. So basically what that means is unless you're able to live on less than what you make, it's impossible for you to have any level of wealth. You can make $100,000 a year and spend $110,000. You'll never have wealth because you keep spending more than what you're making. You can make $10 million a year. There's a lot of NBA players and stuff like that where they're salaries are huge, but their expenses are even huger. They'll never be able to maintain a level of wealth because they live on more than what they make, and it's sad. So whether you're making 50 grand a year or 5 million a year, if you can't live on less than what you make, you'll never have any level of savings. So just one thing, math teacher's teaching: all wealth is predicated on savings. If you can't save, you can't have wealth. So if your goal is to be wealthy, you got to live on less than what you make. So I must admit that watching interest rates go up is very exciting. Getting bonuses on top of getting the best rates is even more exciting. Upgrade, they still have their savings bonus. They have 5.07 APY, which is really nice because they have really nice interest plus a up to $200 bonus. You want to take advantage of this. This thing did get extended, so take advantage of it. So that's a link to this video up here. Absolutely love Upgrade. I'm going to be making a lot more videos about Upgrade and profiting off them starting in January. So no direct deposit required, nationwide offer, get you a bonus for saving. Number 3, we're going to get paid to invest. Invest is, love this quote from The Richest Man in Babylon. Have your gold go out and bring back copper pieces back with it. Your gold is going out as a warrior, and it's bringing back additional with it. So your gold goes out and it brings back copper pieces back with it. So if you've never checked out Richest Man in Babylon, there is a lot of wisdom in there, and it's all about you got to live on less than what you make. You got to pay yourself first. You got to save like it's a bill, and just watch it grow. So that's being a wise steward. All right, so talking about this is Ground Floor. Looking at they have total loans repaid. They send monthly emails. If you ever gotten into the Ground Floor game, so they have a monthly updates. And I didn't do this for because I didn't have this when I made my last Ground Floor video. But they've had 72 loans repaid in the month of November. Repayment volume 19.6 million. Return rate average 9.29%. I mean, interest rates are up, but this is on a different level. Total active loans 1,300 and interest volume 1.9 million. You want to have your hand in that because that's repayment volume 19.6, interest volume 1.9 million. Yeah, 9.2% average. Loss rate is 1.20. I had one or two, I think it was one loan so far out of the ones I've been in where it defaulted and I still got paid. So I have zero care about anything defaulting in here. So they had 72 repayments in November. So far, year to date, 861 repayments. And they do a really good job in just being open and transparent on how much they have repaid. So January is a little bit more than 15 million. Their biggest month was February, which was somewhere between like 22, 23 million. So you can look at all this in greater detail, but they have repayment volume, repayment interest, and they're constantly paying either 10% or around 10% or above 10%. So the dark blue is the interest payments off of the repayment. So that's really good there. The rate of return, 9 is like low here. And then 10.5 for September. That's really nice. So overall rate of return on average was 9.82. So, I mean, that's huge. You're getting more than 9% on average on everything you're doing. And they show updates on like this house here before, which was in Atlanta, Georgia, refinance rehab. You see that on the screen when you're investing, and you don't see well, they do show during the updates, but this is what the house originally looked like, and then they transformed it to this, and that's a huge amazing thing here. I mean, investing in profitable projects like this is fun. I mean, that's a beautiful house afterwards, and everybody makes money off of this, so it's really nice. Here's another one in South Carolina. I mean, you're investing in stuff that's all over the country. So Georgia, South Carolina, Florida's got a whole bunch of them, but it looks like they just tore this house down. They just built this beautiful thing here. So I mean, that's really nice. Property purchase for 535. Loan 1.1 million, term 18 months, and it repaid this November 10th. So these are recent stuff that they've done. I made a whole video on this ground floor real estate investing. If you ever considered investing in real estate without actually having to do everything you need to invest in real estate, and put in $100 and fund projects like this, and you get a $50 bonus. So link to that video is up here. All right, number the next one. Get paid. Basically, this one's really fun just to get approved. and then they give you a $100 Amazon gift card. So all you got to do is get approved, and if they approve me with my checks record, they should basically approve everyone. So thanks to your friend, you can get a $100 Amazon gift card. I'm still waiting. I haven't got paid out on any of these yet because they do have. Here's what they have here. I just broke it down a little bit easier to read. Number one, be able to join the credit union. Number two, you got to be over 18. Number three, open a checking account with minimum $50 at opening. Number four, be in good standing for 30 days, and that's it. And then they're going to send you a $100 Amazon gift card. So this is Security Plus. They also have $2,000 in credit card funding, which is really nice. So yeah, that's really cool. So everybody's spending money at Stuff Mart, which is also known as Amazon, because you can get all the stuff you can possibly want in the world there. Link to that video is up here. Get paid, another one, get paid for direct deposits. So this is a big one, U.S. Bank. I got a bonus off this one, collected in November, $500. So there's two parts of this, $500 for checking, $200 for savings, an additional $100 if you do both of them. So in order to get the $500, you do need direct deposits of $10,000 or more. Hey, John, that sounds like a lot. Well, it kind of is a lot. I talk about data points on here if you're interested in taking measures. U.S. Bank is one of those beautiful banks to where every 2 years you can get a huge bonus, both on the personal and the business side. I love both of them. The customer service is outstanding. Expect a lot more videos about U.S. Bank in the year 2024. Link to that video is up here. And talking about $10,000, that is a lot. Sure it is. Well, now we're going to talk about the best business checking account. So one of the main benefits to Novo, and actually I am an affiliate for Novo, one of the main benefits is the ability to send funds from this business account to personal accounts by simply clicking the Make a Payment button. And yeah, I go into much greater details in the full video here. As I said, I am actually an affiliate for Novo. I'm just waiting for them to send me some swag. I'm still wearing this M1 because I'm an affiliate for M1 as well. Anyway, so link. Actually, I think I'm out of these. So this video is going to be at the end here, at the end where you can click on the thing. All right, so as of course, my friend Blue, he loves Blue Peak, and he approves of all these videos and these offerings in this video. So bank account bonus central verdict. Join me getting paid for your direct deposits, which is something that pretty much everybody has. You know, turn your direct deposits into its own separate side hustle. You want to get paid to save, get paid to invest, get bonuses, get paid to approve, just to get approved, and you'll get $100 for Stuff Mart. I really enjoy sharing these profitable opportunities with everyone who's willing to listen, participate, and profit. I had a guy email me and said, "Man, so many people I work with, I tell them about this, and they're just not willing to participate." Well, story of my life as well. I'm a high school math teacher, and often I talk to other teachers I work with, and I say, "Hey, switch one direct deposit, get $200, get $300, get $400, or whatever the current deal is." And I said, "Nah, that's too much." Well, and I show them how much I make. It's like, well, good for you. Must be nice. It's like, well, you can do it too. So I really appreciate those who are willing to listen, participate, and profit. This is a fun and profitable game. Merry Christmas, and may God richly bless you and your family. This is John from Bank Account Bonus Central. I still do have comments off for these videos, but if you have any questions, comments, concerns, complaints, criticisms, trainingadventures@gmail.com is where you can reach me at. Hit me up, and I will get back to you rather quickly. I do like to answer emails within 24 hours, except for Sundays, because I don't do anything channel related on Sundays. All right, so my goal for 2024, here's a brief snapshot of what's going to happen in the year 2024. My goal is to replace all 24 of my paychecks as a high school math teacher in the year 2024. So hopefully I will be able to do that, and encourage you to do the same, because I don't know about you. I took the day off Friday because I didn't have any students, and it felt really nice not to have to wake up to an alarm clock. Yeah, so that's my goal eventually, is to be able to not have to worry about working for somebody else doing their thing. But this is something I really enjoy, and teaching people about how to make money, because as my buddy RJ would say, turn the bank's money into your money. All right, so today's question, talking about Christmas. Why is Christmas really celebrated? So there is, we're talking about Stuff Mart, Amazon, Walmart, and lights and wise men and all sorts of stuff, but Black Friday sales. But why is Christmas really celebrated? Christmas cards. Well, here's why Christmas is celebrated. It's the birth of Jesus. Is it the actual birth of Jesus? Well, probably not. But any holiday we can look at to celebrate Jesus coming uh, is definitely something to be appreciated. So, from Matthew chapter 1, it says, "This is how the birth of Jesus Christ came about. His mother Mary was pledged to marry in marriage to Joseph, but before they came together, she was found to be with child through the Holy Spirit. Because Joseph, her husband, was a righteous man and unwilling to disgrace her publicly, he resolved to divorce her quietly. But after he had pondered these things, an angel of the Lord appeared to him in a dream and said, 'Joseph, son of David, do not be afraid to embrace Mary as your wife, for the one conceived in her is from the Holy Spirit. She will give birth to a son, and you are to name him Jesus.'" Well, what's so special about Jesus? Because he will save his people from their sins, which is something we can't do on our own. We can't cleanse ourselves from sin. All this took place to fulfill what the Lord said through the prophet. "Behold, a virgin will be with child and will give birth to a son, and they will call him Emmanuel," which means God with us. I mean, so that's what is absolutely amazing about Jesus. He saves people from sins, and he is God with us. He's not just some faraway thing to where you can't communicate to him, but he is God with us, and he saves from sins. And that, to me, has been the most influential thing in my life. Made the biggest difference in my life. To know there's nothing I can do to earn sins. Should I live a different life as a result? Yeah, absolutely. But yeah, this is why Christmas is celebrated. When Joseph woke up, he did as the angel Lord commanded him and embraced Mary as his wife. But he had no union with her until she gave birth to a son and gave him the name Jesus. Another thing mentioned here is Mary a virgin forever? No, because it clearly says in Scripture he had no union with her until she gave birth to a son. So there's that. Additional information about this, how to follow Jesus, gotquestions.org, link in the description box down below. If you're interested in that, and if you're still here with me, definitely appreciate that. Like the video if you appreciate profitable content on a consistent basis. Share this with anybody who would be able to benefit from it. Subscribe with bell notifications so you can be amongst the first to learn about such profitable opportunities, even if you don't have time to watch these videos as they come out. Typically 3 times a week. I like to put out videos, God willing, Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday. And with that, look forward to seeing you in the next one. Peace, and may God bless you.